Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Neologic, and today I'll be explaining the ins and outs of working with data collections. Let's get started.
Data collections serve as foundational structures for organizing and managing data within your applications. These collections house individual data documents, which represent specific data points or entities. To create a data collection and a data document, navigate to your desired project. At the top right, click on Project Configuration and then Data Configuration. A new window will open. Hovering over the Data Collections header allows you to create a data collection. Once that is done, click on the three dots next to the created data collection and you can create a data document tied to the data collection. That's the end of our quick tutorial on creating data collections and data documents. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.